Good morning friends. Today we will be discussing an important topic which is skin sagging after bariatric surgery. A lot of my patients, especially the ladies, are concerned that after bariatric surgery their skin might become too loose and they may not look good after losing all the extra weight. So normally bariatric surgery is a long-term procedure for excess weight loss, and after any bariatric surgery it is expected that the person can lose almost 60 to 80% of their extra weight over a period of 1 year. Most of the weight which is lost is in the form of the loss of subcutaneous fat, which is the fat stored just beneath the skin. So it is obvious that when such a large amount of fat is lost from underneath the skin, there will be some loosening of the skin in the long term. But there are a number of risk factors which are associated with skin loosening, and there are a few preventive measures by which this skin loss can be prevented. Skin sagging is often seen more in patients who have an increased age at the time of surgery. So it is more often seen in people who are in their 50s and 60s as compared to people who are in their 20s or 30s, because in the older people the skin elasticity is less and the chances of skin coming back to its normal shape after surgery becomes lesser. It is more commonly seen in females as compared to males because of some hormonal and genetic factors, because of which females' skin elasticity is lesser as compared to the males. People who have a higher preoperative weight and higher BMI before their bariatric surgery tend to lose a larger amount of weight after the surgery, and hence in them the skin sagging becomes more problematic. People who have more of central obesity and fat deposited in particular parts of the body as compared to those people who have a generalized obesity have more problem of skin sagging at those particular areas of the body. Also, females who have undergone multiple previous pregnancies have greater amount of skin sagging in the abdominal part of their body because their skin elasticity in that area has become limited. Also, in cases of major abdominal operations in which scar marks are present around the abdomen, these people can have problem of skin sagging at the areas around these scar marks, because near the scars the elasticity of the skin and the ability of the skin to contract becomes limited. This skin sagging problem can be prevented by a number of methods. A high protein, nutritious diet is very important to limit the skin problems associated with bariatric surgery. If a proper high protein diet is taken, it prevents the collagen and elastin breakdown, which leads to excess skin sagging. Also, a combination of aerobic as well as weight training exercises helps to limit the skin sagging because it gives the proper muscle tone of the muscles which are present underneath the skin, and thus tones up the body and gives rise to a better cosmetic effect after the surgery. Also, regular skin care by the application of moisturizing creams, oils and massages also helps to maintain the proper skin tone. Most of the patients have only minor problems of skin sagging after the surgery, and which they can get adjusted to very well. However, if this problem is more severe or if the patient is having a severe cosmetic disfigurement, then they can go for a corrective surgery for this problem. In most of the cases, it is a simple cosmetic surgery which removes the extra skin from the body, and it does not have any complications and has good long-term results.